You've set up your claim and now you're beginning to document it. One of the reasons why you need to document your claim is to establish liability. Liability is really a fancy legal term for who's at fault. The documentation that you begin to gather, you want to make sure it supports the conclusion that the other person 100% caused the accident. Here's why. In Illinois, there's degrees of fault. We call it comparative fault. It's a concept that two people could hold some level of responsibility for an accident. Think of it as one accident has 100% fault. One person could have 20%, while the other person is 80% at fault. Here's how this impacts your recovery on a property damage claim. Pretend that your vehicle is worth $10,000, so I can do the math easily. If the documentation shows that you're 20% responsible for the accident, they're going to reduce the amount that you're entitled to by the same percentage that you're found to be at fault for the accident. So here in our example, if the car is worth $10,000 and you're found to be 20% at fault, they're going to reduce the $10,000 by 20%. You're only going to get $8,000. $8,000 of the $10,000 value of your car. The point is that documenting your claim and establishing 100% liability on the other person is so critical because it can mean thousands of dollars in compensation as a difference. So get out there, get the police report, take witness statements if there's people who saw it, get the traffic camera footage, body-worn camera footage, and any other evidence that's going to support that it's 100% the other person's fault. This is also why you need a plan B. This is why I recommended that you report the accident to your insurance even though you didn't cause the accident. The reality is if the insurance company is wrongfully going to accuse you of being somewhat at fault for this accident, it's going to reduce the amount that they're going to pay you. You may not be willing to accept that. If you go through your own insurance, yes, you will have to pay a deductible, but your insurance is going to take care of the property damage at 100%. You'll have to do the math calculations to figure out which is to your advantage. Going with the at-fault insurance, even though there's a reduction in the amount that you're going to receive, or going with your own insurance, which is your plan B, paying your deductible, which might be $500 to $1,000, but getting the full value of the repairs or the replacement of your vehicle.